Assalamualaikum. Hello there. My name is Muhammad Shazwan bin Muhammad Rizwan. ID number 5022412028 and today I would like to talk about the IoT of metal inert gas welding touch adapter for a CNC machine. Recent technological advances have made the Internet of Things IoT popular in all industries. Welding technology is also evolving to adapt to the IoT. Welding industry look forward to improve welding quality, efficiency and productivity. So, for problem statement, the first problem is the inefficiency in the welding quality, which lead to bad welding quality and risk of injury, such as the UV exposure, burn from fire, sparks and others. And also for the next problem statement is slow production, which is the defect will slow the production, which usually depending on human factor. The objective is to produce a good MIG welding, avoiding risk of injuries and improve product yield and maximize the company profit.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Faiz bin Muhammad and my ID number is 5022412091. So I'll be talking about justification on IoT integration. So the concept of IoT started with things and identity communication device. It could be tracked, controlled remote computers connected through internet. The ability in IoT welding is to monitor data that can be used to improve efficiency by connecting welder to the internet operating with software so that we can improve performance and reduce material waste. The functional software and high-quality welders allow to reduce their reliance on skilled workers. In addition, automated system can be programmed to address variety factors in the same way that experienced welder work. Move on to the next chapter is system overview. So the device is adapted to welding torch holder for use and CNC machine. The adapter required to use a Node MCU Dev Kit 1.0 and Arduino Motoshi Rev 3. The project also required usage of two stepper motors for micro switches and were required to provide feedback on microcontroller to define home robot positions. Activation of the torch trigger was required by server. The trigger is to be modified to replicate movement of the original torch. A spring with 2 LB force installed to replicate the trigger weight of the torch, and the cable filled with steel balls to stimulate weight and stiffness of the cable.
Software. The software we use is Adafruit as an online service. It is an open data platform that allows us to aggregate, visualize and analyze live data on the cloud. Using Adafruit IO, we can upload, display and monitor data over the internet. And also we can control motors, read sensor data and make cool IoT application. We are using the Adafruit IO.
Okay, next we go to process flow. User intercommand from their gadget using Adafruit IO website. So, the data is being stored in the cloud. And then the command is then executed by the MIG welding touch adapter with CNC machine. The MIG welding touch adapter with CNC can move upward, downward, right and left. Okay, next we go to flowchart. First, the user need to insert the degree that we already set up, which is 15 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. After the condition is yes, so the user need to insert the position that we already set up, like upward, downward, right and left. So if the condition is yes, then the machine is start to welding. And then we need to push the stop button to stop the machine. Okay, then this is the circuit design. The circuit design, we have two circuit design. First is for not MCU and then the second for the stepper and stepper motor with the Arduino motor shield.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zakwan bin Azrul. I will continue for the next slide. User interface design. Firstly, our team have developed an easy control over this MIG welding touch adapter with CNC machine by using Adafruit IO website to send command to the machine. Second, this interface in the Adafruit IO provides simple command to follow, such as pushing the button label 1, the welding torch will move upward direction. Third, vice versa is the common when we push two button. There are so many options to choose on how you want the machine to weld, be it 15, 45 or 90 degree. Lastly, the direction of the welding torch can get as far as 180, which will come in handy when users are to weld further than 200 mm. For the next slide is system data analytic. First, based on our study, the number of injuries that come from the welding industry have been continuously peaking, mostly occur from the welder themselves. There were environments that expose the welder to very hazardous environment. As stated in our objective, we propose better protection to the welding operators so that they can have better working space. As stated, with the highest number of cases, most common injury come from the welder owners themselves. And last, with our product, we can together overcome this type of problem that have been missing in the engineering industry since the beginning of time. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Akmal Rizal bin Abdul Razak, ID number 502241201004, and I will present about the project significance and conclusion. About this project, it improves the quality of the welding, it improves protection for welding operator, it improves product yield. This project does not need much manpower and it is so low cost. In a conclusion, growth of Internet of Things has opened up rather vastly major opportunities and possibilities, uh, especially in the welding industry. Welding operator can enjoy safe and secure work environment. Company can yield huge profit, and the quality have been maximized in this area where social distancing became a new norm in this world. Less manpower in industry mean massive loss for lots of company. There are room for improvement in the future and more benefit now that Internet of Things become a common thing in our society.